Hello everyone. Today lecture is on important and different examples of the matrices. Now first example is on associative law. We are given the different matrices of the different orders and we want to prove they hold the associative law. Now first A is a matrix of the type 2 by 3 that is equal to 1 2 0 minus 1 0 1, and B is the matrix of the type 3 by 2 that is equal to 1 0 minus 1 0 and 0 3, and third matrix C is of the type 2 by 1 that is 1 and minus 1. We want to prove AB in bracket C that is equal to A bracket BC. That means associative law holds. Now as a rule in the mathematics we solve the AB is equal to, now that is 120 minus 101 and into 10 minus 1002, that will be resulted matrix of the 2 by 2. As I told in the previous lecture, we take number of rows of the pre-matrix and number of columns of the post-matrix. So we see resulted matrix is equal to minus 10 and minus 13. Now find out AB in bracket C. Now that will be equal to minus 10 minus 13, that is 2 by 2, and into 1 minus 1, 2 into 1. So resulted matrix will be of the type 2 into 1. So we get minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 minus 3, and that is equal to minus 1 4, that is 2 by 1. Now similarly find out BC. BC is equal to 10 minus 10 and into matrix 1 minus 1. So resulted matrix will be of the type 3 into 1. That will be equal to 1 minus 1 3, and multiply ABC, that will be equal to 1 2 0 minus 1 0 1, that is of the 2 by 3 into 1 minus 1 minus 3, that is 3 into 1, and resulted matrix will be of the type 2 into 1, and that is equal to A in bracket BC, that is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 and minus 3, and that is equal to minus 1 and minus 4. That implies associative law hold for the matrices A, B, C. And next example is how to find out the matrix. We are given the three matrices. A is equal to 2 by 2, 2 minus 1, 3, 4. B is equal to 5, 2, 7, 4. C is equal to 2, 5, 3, 8. So that now we want to find a matrix T which satisfies the equation CD minus AB is equal to 0 matrix. Now all the matrix are of the 2 by 2. So required matrix is also of the 2 by 2. Now let T is equal to AB XY of the order 2, and it satisfies the equation CD minus AB is equal to 0 matrix. That means CD is equal to AB. That means 2538 into AB XY is equal to 2 minus 1 3 4 into 5 2 7 4. Now multiply the 2 by 2 matrices, we get 2a plus 5x, 2b plus 5a, and 3a plus 8x, 3b plus 8y, that is equal to 3043 22. And now by definition of equality of two matrices, corresponding elements must be same. So 2a plus 5x is equal to 3, 3a plus 8x is equal to 43, 2b plus 5y is equal to 0, 3b plus 8y is equal to 22, and solve these equations one by one. So we get 6a plus 15x is equal to 9, 6a plus 16x is equal to 86, and 6b plus 15y is equal to 0, 6b plus 16y is equal to 44. So subtract, so we get x is equal to 86 minus 9 is equal to 77, values put, 2a plus 385 is equal to 3, 2a is equal to minus 382, and a is equal to minus 191. Similarly, y is equal to 44, and that means 2b plus 220 is equal to 0 and b is equal to minus 110. So required matrices of the type minus 191, minus 110, 77 and 44. That's all. Third example is, now find out the matrix X which satisfy the equation X into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 2, 4, 6. Now we see the condition of multiplication as matrix is pre and next multiplication at 2 by 3 and result is also 2 by 3. So x must be of the order 2 by 2. So x is equal to ABCD. Now ABCD into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that is equal to minus 1, minus 8, minus 9, 2, 4, 6. Multiply the matrices, we get A plus 4B, 2A plus 5B, 3A plus 6B, C plus 4D, 2C plus 5D, 3C plus 6D that is equal to minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 2, 4, 6. By definition of equality of the matrices, equating the elements, we get A plus 4B is equal to minus 7, 2A plus 5B is equal to minus 8, 3A plus 6B is equal to minus 9, and C plus 4D is equal to 2, 2C plus 5D is equal to 4, 3 plus 6D is equal to 6. Now solving these equations, we get 3B is equal to minus 6, B is equal to minus 2, A is equal to minus 7, minus 4B. Putting the value of B, we get minus 7 plus 8 is equal to 1. Similarly, 3D is equal to 0, D is equal to 0, and 3C is equal to 6, C is equal to 2. So required matrix X is equal to 1 minus 2, 2, 0. That's all. Thank you.